Alright, so to highlight the difference in bag styles, this is my personal gear. Most of this is over 20 years old, except for the Guardian, that's kind of new. So let's get it packed. This style backpack, put your fins in the side pockets first. It gives the bag its structure. Again, those are ancient Hurricane fins. And for this bag, I put my wetsuit in the bottom. Booties along the side. PC right across the top. Jiggle it down just a hair. Regulators on top of that. So they have the most amount of room. There is a front pocket for these regulators, but well, they always seem small. And Guardian full face mask and bag in the regulator spot. And there it is.